Welcome to Mathias Lerch High School. Our school is named after a famous Czech mathematician. We offer Common 4, French Bilingual 6, and German 8-year programs for students. We are a pretty significant and modern regional educational institution. We have more than 800 students and 80 teachers. 3D modeling has been an interest of mine for over 20 years, but looking at a 3D model on the screen is not enough for students. They need to be able to touch an object, manipulate it, rotate it, and really get a sense of the third dimension. We purchased a kit and built a 3D printer, but using it was pretty demanding. It was appropriate for really technical students who don't mind constantly fiddling with its calibration. But we wanted a 3D printer that all of our students and teachers could easily and safely use. We have used YSoft SafeQ for our paper printers for a long time, so when we learned that YSoft does 3D printers and uses SafeQ to manage them, that just made sense to us. So we have several eDee printers at GML now. The 3D printers are in constant use. The eDee printer is enclosed, so no moving parts are exposed, making it safe for students of any age to use without direct supervision of a teacher. Our students are enjoying them very much. They are designing, printing, and making design adjustments. It's a great way to learn. With 3D models, students learn better, and primarily, their ability to retain what they are learning increases. Students and teachers also create what they want for their own personal use, anything from mobile phone covers to complicated mechanical parts. YSoft SafeQ tracks it all, and we can keep an eye on how much filament is used. We have even printed a special holder of curling stones in cooperation with handicapped curling players.
I like 3D printing, especially because you can print anything you imagine or found somewhere. I'm delighted that a real thing will come out of the computer model.
What I like the most is that it is easy. Everybody can use it. We use 3D printers this way. We upload a model using the eDee control software, use our badge at the printer, and start printing. Now, I'm designing an educational cube that will be a teaching aid. The interesting thing about it is that the diagonal sides are marked. I believe that 3D printing will be an extensive industry, and modeling skills will be useful in the future. We are continuously amazed at what students create. Their teachers here are happy that students are learning with an immersive tool and are developing useful skills. We are giving the children the freedom to collaborate, experiment, and iterate, and they get the ability to express themselves with very tangible outcomes.